What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how do I accept BACS debit payments or BACS Direct Debit payments into our WordPress website WooCommerce into a simple, fast and effective way without needs of coding or of extra plugins, the easier method, okay? So the basic method to get your store up and running, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, all we'll have to do is go to WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus. I'm gonna start this tutorial assuming that you already have WooCommerce plugin installed on your site and you already have your product, so you are ready to start selling. All we have to do is set up payments. To do this, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over WooCommerce and hit the submenu Settings. Once on Settings, you're going to be able to find a couple of submenus. I'm going to focus into Payments. Now we're going to be able to see some official payment gateways, the Stripe, the PayPal, but we have Take Offline Payments. Click on it. Then you need to enable the Direct Bank Transfer. Take payments into person via BACS, more commonly known as Direct Bank Wire Transfer. Okay, so click on Enable. Now, Direct Bank Transfer. Click on Enable and then click on Manage. And right here, you're going to be able to enter the title, payment method's name that consumers will see during checkout. Up to you. Description: make your payment direct into bank account. Please use the order ID as the payment reference. Your order will not be shipped until the funds have cleared it. This is an example, but you can change this text. Instructions: you can enter the instructions right here. Instructions that will be added to the thank you page emails. Then, the most important part, account details. Click on add account. And right here, you need to enter with the country, the account name, bank name, account number, IBAN, and BIC or SWIFT. Save the changes once again, and as soon as the consumer hits the checkout page, they're gonna be able to see the option called Direct Bank Transfer. Okay? Simple, easy, and very effective. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!